Good morning students. Today in this session we are going to learn spreadsheet. So what is spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is a table of values arranged in rows and columns. And there are many examples for creating spreadsheet. Apache OpenOffice Calc, Lotus 123 and Microsoft Excel. So as we are using Windows operating system, we may work with Excel worksheet. See here, from the start menu, I have installed Excel 2013. This is what the icon of Excel 2013. Double click or single click on it to open Microsoft Excel. Using this spreadsheet, you can store data and you can perform simple as well as complex calculations, and even you can create charts. So now see here, if you worked with any Excel workbook, then all such workbooks will be displayed here. As of now, I didn't work with any Excel sheet, so there is no recent worksheets available for me. So I am going to create a blank workbook. In this way, you have to create a blank workbook. Double click on the blank workbook. So this is the environment of Excel sheet. Today in this class, we are going to learn various components available in Excel 2010. Sorry, Excel 2013 version I am using. So whatever you are having, are you are having in your desktop, you can use it. The first one, this entire document. See here, this is title bar. The title bar is having the name of the book. The name is given as book 1. So from the title itself you can know the entire document is called as workbook. In Excel, document is called as workbook, which is a basic Excel file, and it contains collection of worksheets. See here, so this is called as sheet tab. From this sheet tab you can find various sheets available in your workbook. You can also add new sheets here. See, if you click on this plus symbol, the sheets will be get added to your workbook. That's why the workbook is called as collection of multiple worksheets. From this sheet tab, you can migrate to one sheet to another sheet, and also you can see the name of the sheets. You can also delete and add new worksheets with your Excel workbook. Then what is worksheet? See here, this table structure is called as worksheet. So table, it is how the table is constructed. Table is having two main constraints, two main constructs. One is row and cell. See, row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are all called as row. Horizontal collection of cells. So here another important term is called as cell. See, small rectangles present in this table is called as cell. Cell is an interconnection of row and column. So here row is a horizontal collection of cells, whereas column is labeled as A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are all called as columns. Vertical collection of cells are called as columns. And see here, if you click on a particular cell, it get activated with some dark green color boundary. Then this is called as active cell, and this is called as name box. This is called as, please follow my mouse, this is called as name box. So whatever the cell is currently selected, you can see the cell address. So what is cell address? Cell address is used to refer a particular cell. Now see here, cell is a intersection of row and column. Now the 6th row and d-th column is intersected together and forming this cell. That's why it is named as D6, and the address of this box can be looked in name box. This box is called as name box. It is displaying address of a currently selected cell. See, now I am selecting the cell somewhere else. So which cell is this? I5. See, look at the name box. It is given as I5. So name box is a place where you can find the cell address, active cell address. And this is called as formula bar. So whatever the content present inside the cell. See here, now I am typing one value. So what are all the content present in that cell? This can be displayed using formula bar. And you can also type any formula for your worksheet. So formula bar, which is used to display the content of the current active cell. Okay, that's all about the components of Microsoft Excel. Once again, I am telling you, title bar, sheet tab, name box, formula bar, rows, columns, row column intersection is cell, cell address, formula bar. Okay, hope you had a good learning in this session. So in next session I'll explain how to create a new file and how to save new worksheet and then how to edit information present inside the Excel workbook. Thank you children. See here, if now I am trying to close the section, it is asking me to save or don't save. So you can save using the save button. If you click on save, it will ask you for the place wherever you want to save your worksheet. So choose the location wherever you want to save your book. So give an appropriate name, and there are Excel workbook. The extension of Excel file is .xls.